Hi, my name is Jeffrey Miller. I'm a product manager at Tektronix. Today I'm going to show you three powerful tools that are available on the 4, 5, and 6 series oscilloscopes. We'll be looking at Inverter Motor Drive and Analysis, or IMDA, TechScope PC software, which allows you to acquire waveforms over a network and do offline analysis, and scope-to-scope synchronization, which we'll be using to increase the channel count of these two MSO46Bs. Three-phase analysis typically examines three power inputs driving an inductive load. This means that you need to acquire 6 waveforms simultaneously, one voltage signal and one current signal for each phase. However, the newest and most sophisticated features of IMDA, like three-phase power efficiency calculations, require more than 6 channels. This makes it better suited to an 8-channel scope, like the 5 or 6 series BMSO. Here's the problem. I need to characterize the efficiency of this motor, but I don't have an 8-channel scope. I have these two 4 series BMSOs. I do have another option though. TechScope PC analysis software has all of the same measurements, tools, and visualizations as the on-scope firmware. In fact, it's the same code base. Anything you can do on the scope, including automated measurements, math channel calculations, results tables, and report generation, can be done on a PC. Today though, we're going to do a live acquisition with both of these scopes. We'll acquire the needed IMDA waveforms, transfer them to TechScope, and perform the analysis on this laptop. Before we do that, we need to synchronize them. Scope 1 on the left is acquiring all the voltage signals and triggering, and Scope 2 on the right is acquiring all the current signals. I've connected the aux out of Scope 1 to the aux trigger input of Scope 2. Once the physical connections are present, the rest of the setup can be finished on a PC. I've already written down the local IP addresses for these scopes, so I can immediately sync them with TechScope. Just click Add Scope, set the address, and connect. Now I can do a test acquisition to make sure the network is working as expected. After clicking Transfer, TechScope will display any acquired data after a trigger. With the newly released high-speed interface running, it's possible to continuously transfer multiple waveforms without any bottlenecking. Now I can finally set up my 3-phase measurement. The TechScope software has the exact same UI as our hardware products, so this is under the Measure button. I'll add Scope 1 channels as the 3 voltage sources and Scope 2 as the 3 current sources, then click Transfer. And there's the results. You might notice this is only 6 channels. I'll show you how to use this setup to compare the output power of the motor to these input signals in another video, once we get our dynamometer fixed. I hope this demonstrates how Tektronix products can work together to extend your bench and provide new capabilities. Visit tech.com to see all of the new products, features, and tutorials that we're working on.